Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for joining me this morning. Good morning to you. Thank you for your support and all that you do to support me and this channel. And if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, come on and join the Gene G family. There's always an open invitation for you to join. And all you have to do is click on that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will know every time I upload a video. If you've been watching me lately, then you know that I have been working on the second retightening of my hair. Yes. My sister locks needed retightening, and my loctician is not back yet. And I hope that she is doing well. And I will see her for the next retightening, which will be at the end of February. At the end of February, because this is the midway, end of February, beginning of March, something like that. When I look at the dates, I'll know when to schedule. But I have not finished retightening my hair yet, but I've made a lot of progress. A lot of progress. So all this hair that I'm taking loose right now has been retightened, and it feels good. I retightened the front of my hair without shampooing it, and it was not the best experience. I've never done that before, and I'll never do it again, because it seemed to have more friction as a result of my hair not being shampooed. And I believe that the water moisturizes my hair, which makes it easier to deal with. Now, I'm going to show you the part of my hair that I did not retighten yet. And I know what it is because I have two plaits there. So this has not been retightened. But it will get done today. I have plans to meet a friend for lunch. I have to go into the salon and do a retightening and I think 2-strand twists on a client. That will be the most of my day. And I'll show you some of that too. So all I have to do now is put on my shoes and my jacket and head out the door. If I have time while I'm in the salon before my client comes in, and I might, I'll do a little retightening of what's left, and I'll come back and show you the results. But in the meantime, you have a wonderful day, a great day. See you soon. I forgot to show you my 360, even with the plaits in the back. You still need to know what my hair looks like back there. So here's my 360. Thank you for watching. Good evening. I still have these 2 sections to finish. I'm going to try to get those done today. Now that I'm back from my time with a friend, and I forgot to take you with me, guys. But I did take a picture of who I spent my time with. And we had such a wonderful time. We ate at the Back Street Grill in Columbia on Divine Street. and it was divine. So I'm in here now trying to finish up this retightening. I need to separate these first. I realize that it's easier for me to retighten my hair when I am sitting down and watching TV, movies, or videos. I am just concentrating and having a wonderful time putting these in my hair. I'm gonna get started and then I might go and finish it off camera. I am finished. I retightened my hair for the second time. 2 months in a row. I can say 2 months in a row because I did it at the beginning of December and I finished, and then I had to do it again at the midway point in January. And I'm finished. And I'm happy to be finished. I just pray that Kim is doing well and recuperating well, so when it's time for my next retightening, I'll be sitting in her chair. I do not enjoy this experience. And I don't. It's not like it just wore me out or anything, but those last 2 sections that I showed you took almost an hour to complete. I sat in the dark and I did it because when I'm retightening the back of my hair, I really can't look back there even when I have a mirror. It doesn't work for me. So I just formed a vision in my head, I can close my eyes and do it. I go in the line using the sections and the parting, and I go straight across. That's the easiest way for me to go straight across. Each little section, go straight across and get it done. And using that short tool that I created is better for me than this one. They're two different lengths. I did both of these myself, and this one is best for me because it doesn't reach as far over as this one does, and therefore there's less chance of me combining locks. But I am finished. I'm going to give you a quick look. You can see right here, looks really good. Finished. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He's blessed me. He keeps me. He helps me to endure through all types of situations, even retightening my hair, and I thank Him for it. Have a great day, or evening, or night, whatever time you are watching this video. Take care. this is how I'm going to bed tonight. I am. I'm going to see what this turns out to be in the morning. Yes, have a good night.